Good morning students. Today we are going to see many to 1. Now what is many to 1? Let's see. When the value of many object is given, means when the value of many objects is given, we divide to get the value of one thing. Now what is divide you know. Already we have learned that what is divide, what is division. So in this topic we have to do division. So we divide to get the value of one thing. Okay, one thing. Remember this. If the value of many objects is given, so what we do, we divide to get the value of one thing. Now how do we divide? It is given next. See first the example. 6 pencil boxes cost rupees 600. Now 6 pencil boxes, it costs rupees 600. How much does one box cost? Already they have given us the price of 6 pencil boxes. It is costing rupees 600. Now we have to find the cost of one box only. So cost of 6 pencil boxes. What is the cost of 6 pencil boxes? 600. So what we are going to do? We have to find cost of one box. So cost of one box is equals to 600 divided by 6. Means 600 divided by 6. So cost of one pencil box is equals to 600 divided by 6. When you divide 600 by 6, you will get answer 100. Therefore, cost of one pencil box is rupees 100. See, next, solve the following. 9 chocolate bars cost rupees 810. Cost of 9 chocolate bars is rupees 810. What is the cost of one chocolate bar? Already they have given us 9 chocolate bars cost rupees 810. Then you have to find the price of one chocolate bar. So what you are going to do? You are going to divide 9 with 810. So I have already done it for you, that it is, see like this. 9 chocolate bars cost rupees 810. Therefore cost of one chocolate bar, that is rupees 810 divided by 9. जो प्राइस दी है, जो कॉस्ट दिया है, उसको जितने भी चॉकलेट बार्स है उसके साथ आपको डिवाइड करना है. सो उससे क्या मिलेगा आपको? द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन चॉकलेट बार. देयरफॉर कॉस्ट ऑफ वन चॉकलेट बार 810 divided by 9. When you divide, see I have divided it. Answer is 90. Cost of one chocolate bar is rupees 90. Means here. This is remainder, right? And this is question. So whatever answer comes in the question, it is your answer. So cost of one chocolate bar is rupees 90. Now see next. 5 school bags cost rupees 935. What is the cost of one bag? If 5 school bags cost rupees 935, so what is the cost of one bag? Again see. 5 school bags 935. What is the cost of one bag? So what you are going to do? You are going to divide 935 with 5. 935 with 5. You will get answer. See, I have divided here. 5 ones are 5. Remaining is 4. Again we are going to take this 3 down. So here it is 43. 5 eights are 40. Okay. And again 3 is remaining. Now this 5 will come down. 5 sevens are 35. Answer is here 0. So here what is the answer coming in the question? That is 187. So it will be a answer. Cost of one bag is rupees 187. In this way you have to solve the sum. Again next. 3 story books cost rupees 396. What is the cost of one book? Now see, 3 story books cost rupees 396. So cost of one book, 396 divided by 3. When we divide this, we will get answer 132. So cost of one book is rupees 132. So you just have to divide. Already I have taught you how to divide. So once again I will teach you. 3 divided by 396. Now look at the first number. 3 ones are 3. It is divisible with 3. 3 ones are 3. So 3 minus 3 answer will be 0. Now next number, take 9. 9 goes in 3's table. Yes, 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 9, 0. Now take the next number, 6. Again 3 is divisible with 6. Yes, 3 2s are 6. So 6 minus 6, 0. So answer will be 132. So cost of one book is rupees 132. Now same go with the 8 balls cost rupees 480. What is the cost of one ball? Now 8 balls. Now see, 8 balls cost rupees 480. Cost of one ball is equals to 480 divided by 8. So 480 divided by 8. So again see, 48 is divisible with 8. Yes, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Like this way you have to say the tables. So you will get answer 8 6 are 48. So 8 minus 8, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Again 0 is remaining. So take that 0 down. 8 zeros are 0. So 0 minus 0, 0. So answer will be 60. Cost of one ball is rupees 60. So I will also send you the photo of this solved answers. You just copy it down and solve the ticked questions. See, 1 2 3 4. So these 4 questions you have to solve yourself in your notebook and send me the photo of it. Thank you.